We're coming, hold on!
The train is late, isn't it?
Yes, just a little.
I hope it arrives soon.
It will.
It's so peaceful here. I feel so happy right now. Just being here is enough. This is a nice spot.
Yeah, it's very cozy.
Here you go, dear.
Thank you, Grandma.
It smells wonderful.
This is nice. It really is.
I'm so glad we're all here.
Here you go.
Thank you.
It smells wonderful.
I hope you like it.
It's perfect.
Thank you.
Of course, it smells wonderful.
This tea is lovely, isn't it?
Yes, it really warms the soul. Indeed, a perfect moment.
Here you go.
Thanks.
You two make a good team.
Thanks, Grandma. This one is almost done.
I'll dry it for you. You two make a good team.
Thanks, Dad.
Wow, look at that shooting star!
It's so beautiful. I wish I might.
Me too. Ready to go in?
Yes, with you.
It's warm inside.
It feels like home.
The moonlight is so beautiful tonight.
It is. I'm glad we're together.
It's peaceful here with you.
It is. Tea?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
I couldn't have done it without you.
You've always made me so proud.
Thank you. Are you feeling all right?
I'm fine, dear. Don't worry.
Okay, I was just checking. It's time for me to go.
I know. I'll miss you.
And you.
The clock is beautiful tonight.
Not as beautiful as you.
Stay with me a little longer?